If you go to about democratizing, about making it more simple, etc., I believe that everything is moving to this magic when you are going to dictate to your chatbot, let's create video about, I don't know, AI education and how to learn as AI, etc., and you got the final video. You made a big step to this. You have added just MCP to your functionality. Can you tell a little bit more about this, how it works, and how we close to this future reality when just with the voice message to your chatbot, you can get the ready video?
Yeah. So we've recently released an MCP. That's also because what we saw was most of our users and everyone in general is moving to centralized tools like Claude, ChatGPT,
Mm-hmm.
Gemini, Cursor, or one of these tools, and they want to use that for all those for all the work that they're doing, which is what our MCP allows you to do. You can connect the Clueso MCP to any of these tools and run video creation workflows directly from there. So that's essentially why I've released that. But one other important piece regarding that is, it's actually being able to connect Clueso with other tools now. For example, what we were constantly seeing was, a lot of our customers or users already had, Claude skills build to create scripts for their videos. Now,
Mm-hmm.
after that, they would do, go enter the scripts manually within Clueso, generate an AI voice and whatnot. But with Clueso, now with the MCP, you don't need to do all of that. You have a skill that builds a script automatically. Then you can just ask it to turn that into a video within Clueso. It can do that. And, we also have a feature called Clueprints that we have released recently, which is like an end-to-end video templates of sort, which means
Mm-hmm.
once you've created a video that you're really happy with, from that, our AI can build something called a Clueprint, wherein it learns exactly how you go about editing your videos in terms of
And
the
we can
script
say
writing
that
style.
it's still inside Clueso, yeah.
Yeah. It's like combination of skills inside Clueso. So skills for writing the script, editing the video, storyboarding your video, adding effects to your videos like zoom, spotlights, highlights, animations, motion graphics, everything. And that way, after once a Clueprint is built from your Claude, you can just say, okay, turn this script into a video within
Mm-hmm.
Clueso, ask it to use a certain Clueprint. It'll automate all the editing as well for you and give you a draft which is already about 95% there. And then, that's one big differentiation that we believe as well, which we have as compared to just creating a video with a prompt, which is, what we've seen more and more is that with AI, while AI can speed up a lot of it, for video creation, the outputs it's gonna give is still not gonna be 100% there. Of course, if you're looking at like text to video kind of products like VO3 or Sora or those models, of
Mm-hmm.
course, those are for footage generation. But anything within a business context where you need to feed in the screen recording of a product in terms of how it works, a process, a PowerPoint or a document, while it can generate a great first draft, the output is typically not 100% there and does require some editing as well. And that's one very unique thing that we offer as well, which is, although we do offer all this automation, which is really great, which gets you to an output which is 95% there, we also offer a fully, powerful and easy to use video editor wherein you can go in, tweak anything as needed, add additional things, remove things, and edit the video as needed and then export it. Because otherwise, what happens is with prompts, if you're giving a prompt to the AI, it creates something and you keep reprompting again and again and again to get it to 100%, and it doesn't really happen, or you end up spending even more time. Which is what we're trying to solve for, which is with our AI and the MCP, we make the initial video creation a very, very automated process, get it to like 90 to 95% there. But then you can still go to the Clueso platform, tweak it as needed, and then export the output.
Yeah, the use case that we've discussed with you on the last meeting, the most of tools like Clueso, your competitors, etc., you have the video. With video, you can get the document with instruction, and this is one workflow. But how close we to the another way? For example, I'm a SaaS company. I have clients in 20 different countries. I have a document with detailed instruction on new feature. How close we are to upload this, for example, to Claude with MCP connector of Clueso and get video with 20 different languages telling about this new feature?
Yeah, this is actually already possible. We, in fact, have some customers that do this already. What they do is they've created documentation or help center articles or knowledge base articles on the new features and the new tools they're releasing. They just give that link to Claude, and via the Clueso MCP, they're just asking it to turn that article into a video. So Clueso automatically takes up all the
That I
screenshots from
screenshot.
the article, understands the context based on the written text as well, and then based on that builds a script. For the visuals, it adds all those those screenshots automatically, keyframes the cursor from one point to another, and builds the video end to end for you. And after that, once a video is built in one language, you can also then translate it into any other language with just a click. So when you're doing the translation, Clueso handles a few things. It translates the script, the AI voiceover, the captions, or any on-screen text boxes or callouts you would have added as well. So the exact workflow that you've described is already possible, and some of our customers are already using it for creating videos from just documents or articles and even localizing them into different languages.
That looks like a magic. We definitely need to test it. But
Okay.
it's became available just after the MCP was released, yes?
Yes, the article to video conversion is something that became available after the MCPs, but the translation has always been possible. But yeah, this just
Yeah.
makes it a lot more powerful overall.
Yeah, sounds great. If you talk about one of the questions which is really interesting right now in AI era, when I'm sharing with anybody that we are using AI for video production, I can hear like AI slow. So that's the first answer. But when I showing, for example, the quality I will get with my Heijan avatar, they say the guys who were my classmates that studied with me in university, they say, is it really you? It's not avatar. And the same when we talk about the videos when we generate with Clueso, you have super professional, super cool video. And if you're not professional, you can't say that it's AI generated or even AI touch. So we can say, what are the main misconceptions you meet when you communicate with clients, etc.? Is it quality? Is it creativity? Is it security? What are your clients are worried about?
Yeah, I think the biggest thing that most of the big enterprises that we work with are worried about is they're all aware that AI is really helpful. The
Mhm.
quality of videos that can be created with Clueso and with AI is very high. I don't think that's a concern anymore because we've shown them. We've in the demos we're showing them some outputs and what's possible, and they're like, "Oh wow, this is better than what we're doing today as well." So quality is not a concern anymore. That said,
Mhm.
security still, is a concern for most big enterprises before they're exploring any AI tools or workflows. And then, of course, at Clueso, we've tried to solve it in multiple different ways. We get penetration testing done, we have SOC 2 Type 2 reports, ISO 27001 reports, and we also, ensure that none of our user data or customer data that the customers are uploading within Clueso is used for any kind of AI model training. So none of it is used for training. So that gives them that conviction that it's super safe and secure to use as well. But I'd say that's one of the biggest concerns that we have seen. And one interesting thing that we've also seen is that in many large enterprises, they've also not started using AI at all, for video production. And then for them, when they're seeing this, it's like really pure magic. And then in terms of the quality that's possible as well, they're really really excited. And that's something that we've been able to do for multiple Fortune 500 companies as well, and many public listed American large organizations as well who are now using Clueso for multiple different use cases. In fact, recently there was a FIFA World Cup. FIFA is one of our customers as well, and they use Clueso for a lot of internal operational training, tools training as well, and also translating those into multiple different languages because they've got team everywhere in the world. So I'd say security was a big concern. That's something that we've taken solve for, and then quality. After they see some videos that have been created with Clueso, quality isn't really a concern. They're in fact very very excited about it. One, of course, the other thing that everyone's slightly worried about is that is it gonna take away their jobs? And I know that
Mhm.
you probably want to dive deeper into that as well. But yeah, that's one small worry. But that's not the case, and I'll come to you when we chat about that in detail and why that's not the case. But yeah, these are some typical concerns we hear.